The roar of the crowd, the tension in the air, the moment before kickoff. The game doesn't just start on the field, it ignites long before, in the locker room, in the huddle, in the unified stride of a team ready to dominate. True champions understand that confidence isn't just built through skill, it's amplified by presence. From the moment you step out, every detail speaks volumes about your ambition and your commitment. Your gear isn't just fabric, it's a declaration. It's the visual anthem of your squad, signaling to every opponent that you are here to compete, to conquer, and to leave an unforgettable mark. For teams chasing ultimate glory, we introduce the Bold City Competition Bundle. This is more than just a uniform. It's a full arsenal designed for peak performance and undeniable impact. Crafted with precision fit and statement style, every piece empowers your athletes to move with unrestricted power and unwavering focus. Imagine your team stepping onto the pitch in perfectly coordinated home and away jerseys, performance shorts, and socks, all complemented by a sleek, functional backpack. This comprehensive kit ensures you look as formidable as you play, projecting an elite, professional vibe that commands respect and instills fear. It's about gearing up to own every single moment. But greatness isn't just forged on game day. It's built in the relentless pursuit of improvement, session after session. For the daily grind, for every drill, every sprint, and every strategic huddle, there's the Squad Essentials Bundle. This collection is engineered for unity, discipline, and the relentless hustle that defines true teamwork. Train like a team, look like a unit. Our Squad Essentials deliver pro-level style and comfort for every practice, ensuring your athletes are coordinated, comfortable, and always competition-ready. Every piece matters, every session counts, and this bundle fuels the grind, transforming practice into a powerful display of collective ambition. So what drives your team? Are you going all in for game day dominance, demanding a full competition setup that screams professional power? Or are you building teamwork and skills through consistent, unified training, prioritizing lightweight flexibility and coordinated comfort for every practice? Whether you choose the comprehensive power of the Bold City Competition Bundle or the everyday excellence of the Squad Essentials, you're investing in more than just apparel. You're investing in identity, in confidence, and in the undeniable spirit of your team. Your game, your look, your choice. It's time to elevate your presence, amplify your performance, and solidify your brand. Stand out, own your moment, and fuel the grind. Find your team's perfect fit today and step into a new era of athletic excellence.